Hello friends, in this video I will show how to update NVIDIA graphics card driver on Windows 11. So click on Start. Here search Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now in this list search Display Adapters. Now here you will see your graphic card NVIDIA GeForce. So right click on it, then update driver. Firstly select search automatically for drivers. Close and restart. Another method, if you have latest one, so right click on it, update driver, browse my computer and click on let me pick from a list of available drivers, and here select latest one, then click on next. Now once this installing process complete, close it and restart your system. So this is the way guys, you can download and install and update NVIDIA graphic cards driver on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.